Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Kyle from Growing Up Garden. On today's episode, I'm going to give you guys an update and show you how my potato towers are doing. All right, guys, so I'm going to quickly show you how each and every one of the towers is doing. So this first tower is the rose fin apple. All the potatoes are still alive. They're smaller than some the other boxes, but everything looks pretty good so far. That little runt potato that I showed you last time, has finally started to grow. We'll move on to the banana fingerling potato. Everything is looking good in here. I still have one smaller one growing, and then the two larger ones. One thing I noticed is when you bury the potatoes, you'll get some of the leaves will die off, which makes sense because you're burying the leaves in the soil, so they're not going to survive. Now this one here is the Kennebec potato, and it is doing the best out of all the towers. The plants look super healthy. The leaves are nice and green. I don't see any issues with these. These are doing great. It does have a little bit of the leaves. Some of the leaves are kind of dying off, but I buried them, so that's why they're dying back. But they keep shooting out the main stalk at least. And then this one here is the all blue potato. Now that one's really huge. It's probably the biggest potato I've got so far. That thing grew overnight. And then, two medium size and then a small little runt in there. But so far so good. I haven't killed the potatoes yet, which I'm pretty happy about. Let me show that. So what I'm going to be doing to fill in the remainder of the boxes is I'm going to be using this bale of hay to fill them in. So I thought I'd go over why I decided to choose a hay bale to fill in the rest of the towers. So a lot of people recommended I use some kind of a straw or hay to fill in the towers, which I thought was a great idea because of cost. It's cheaper to use a hay bale. Depending on where you are, I mean, you can get them from $7 to, I think this one was like $11. I could have got one even cheaper. I could have bought one for like $3 somewhere. You probably can get them for free from people in your local area if you find one online or something. So cost was one reason, and it's easy to use. You just grab it and sprinkle it around the plants. If I were to use something else like bark mulch, I'd have to go to the store and buy tons and tons of bags of mulch, because it actually takes quite a bit of soil, or to fill in one of these layers times 4. So I decided to go the cheaper route, and I think this is going to be a great way to do it. So that's why I decided to use a hay bale. And then also, it's fun for kids to climb on. You want to climb on it, Lily? Yeah, if your potatoes die, your kids can at least have fun. You look nice today, Lily. Alright, so I've just filled in my towers with the straw. I'll give you guys a shot of that. Try to get out of the sun. There we go. I just kind of leave a little bit showing on the smaller ones. I don't want to cover them completely. What I like about the straw too is it's not like it'll drain really well, so it won't hold a lot of moisture, and which I think that's what happened to me last year, is the moisture in the soil like totally just rotted out the plants, and being in the driveway that didn't help either. The bigger ones, I can only fill them so high because I need to add another row of boards. So next time I see you guys, I'm going to be adding another layer of boards and filling it with more straw. Alright guys, so that's the end of my update video. If you guys haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so you can keep up to date on when I post my latest potato tower videos. And also share this video with your family and friends. And I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. See you later, Blake.
See ya.